Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add money to Cash app. So if you also want to add money to Cash app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Cash app. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Cash app is currently unavailable for me. This is because Cash app is not available in my country, but I'll guide you through what to do. First of all, what you have to do is link your bank account. For that, simply tap on the profile icon that you'll be able to see at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, you'll be able to find the option for linked banks. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be able to see all the bank accounts that you've linked to your application. If you haven't linked any bank account, you'll be able to add the bank account over there. All you have to do is tap on the option link credit card. After that, you'll be able to link the bank. Once you link the bank, what you have to do is go back to the home interface. Over there at the bottom left corner, you'll be able to see the bank icon. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another interface. There you'll be able to see several options. At top right under cash balance, you'll be able to find the option for add money and withdraw. In order to add the money, all you have to do is tap on the option add money. After that, you'll be able to add the money. Simply enter the amount of money that you want to add. After that, tap on the add option. Now the money will be added to the Cash app. So that is how you add money to Cash app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.